In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate and review an Audible audiobook on iPhone and share general app feedback. First, we'll go through posting a review inside the Audible app. Then I'll show you how to send suggestions or report issues to Audible through their website. Begin by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. From the bottom menu, go to your library, where all of your purchased or downloaded titles live. Select the title you want to talk about so you're on its details page. Next, tap the three dots menu, the More Options icon associated with that title. In the menu that appears, choose Rate and Review to open the review screen. Here you'll see 3-star categories. Overall captures your complete impression of the audiobook. Performance focuses on the narrator's delivery, pacing, and character voices. Story is about the plot, writing, and how engaging the content felt. Tap to give the stars that best match your experience in each category. Audible uses a 5-star scale for each section, so choose the number that most closely reflects your experience. Below the stars, write your review. Make sure it's at least 15 words so it can be submitted. If you're not sure where to start, mention one thing you appreciated and one thing that could be better. Aim for clear, specific feedback that will help other listeners, like what you loved, what didn't work, or who might enjoy the title. Avoid spoilers or label them clearly, and keep your tone respectful and honest. When you're happy with what you've written, hit submit. Your feedback helps the community find great listens, and it can guide creators and narrators too. It may take a little time for the review to appear publicly, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. Now, if you have general app feedback, suggestions, or issues that aren't about a specific audiobook, use Audible's support page. Open a web browser on your iPhone, such as Safari. In the address bar, go to audible.com Contact Us. On that page, start a chat with support. Briefly describe your feedback, whether it's a feature request, a bug you've noticed, or trouble you're having in the app. When chatting with support, include what you were doing when the issue happened or the exact wording of any error message. The more specific you are, the easier it is for them to assist and pass your suggestion to the right team. That's it. You've learned how to rate and review a title in the Audible app on iPhone and how to share broader app feedback through Audible's chat support. Thanks for watching and happy listening.